Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. So in this short video, I am going to explain what is the major difference between abstract class and seed class. So let's start. So the first difference between abstract class and seed class is the abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated on its own, whereas the seed class is a class that can be instantiated. That is, we can create an instance of seed class. The second difference is abstract class have both abstract members and concrete members, that is non-abstract members, whereas the sealed class have only concrete members, which is non-abstract members. The third difference is the abstract class is a class that can be inherited from. We can create another class which is inherited from this class. Whereas the sealed class is a class that cannot be inherited from. That is, we cannot create a derived class from this sealed class. The fourth difference is the abstract classes provide a partial implementation because they have abstract members. So the implementation of the abstract members will be provided by the class inheriting them. Whereas the sealed class provide a complete implementation because they don't have abstract members. The next difference is when to use an abstract class and when to use a sealed class. So use an abstract class when you want to provide a common base class for multiple related classes and we want to allow them to share the implementation. So the abstract class act as a base class, whereas we need to use a sealed class when you want to prevent further inheritance and we want to ensure that the class is not modified or extended unintentionally. So these are the major difference between abstract class and seed class. That's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.